Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and I am bringing you my final installment in my craft room reorganization series. I will insert a video clip of everything that I am purging and getting rid of. I think it's most stuff. I may have added one or two things after taking the clip, but I had someone who was willing to take some of it, so I figured it was better to do it than not. So I'll insert that here. So as I mentioned in the last video, I just have the final cleanup on the desk and a couple little things here and this little thing here, and I still need to deal with this and give everything a good vacuum and we'll be done. So I am going to quickly tackle this, hopefully get it done really quick, and come back and give you a very brief overview because we've gone through everything in detail. I don't think I need to go in all the drawers, etc. Okay, so we'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm calling this one done. I have gone through pretty much everything in my craft room that I needed to and have freed up some space, and I think overall it just looks a little less full, or rather not quite overflowing like it did before, and I'm very happy. So I'll just kind of pan around the room. So we went quite extensively through my closet, my storage system, or my repackaging system. I've got a couple empty bins here. That's where I'll put my new product as it comes in. I've got a couple empty bins here. I think I have an empty bin there. This looks so much better from what it was before. The top shelf still needs a little bit of work, right? I need to finish it and flush it out a little bit, but it's looking okay. I've got some room on this shelf over here. I've got an empty bin plus an almost empty, so that's really good. I've got some space down here. I do have to put a label on this one. I ended up putting my larger, not chipboard, wood veneer in there, but I do need to put a label. But that can wait for now. All my Project Life stuff, my stickers, much more manageable alpha stickers, more bins, everything looks really good. This side here, I didn't change anything on the shelves really, which is fine. It just looks neater and more organized. My desk, I cleaned up the two carousels quite a bit. And what I ended up deciding to do on this one is I have some empty containers, but I also have things that I access all the time, or I want to access all the time, plus little bits and bobs of leftover packages that I'm hoping will inspire me to use them and get them onto a project. I have a couple empty trays here which I like to use when I'm working on a project. My table tidy is much tidier, very happy with that. The top of my Alex drawers, sorry for the glare, looks much neater. I have labels in all my Alex drawer units, looks really quite good. I'm happy with that. Got an empty bin. And then I didn't do much on this wall. There wasn't much need, I was quite happy with it. All my stamps are down at the bottom. I just did a quick tidy and dust. And on this bin here, pretty much it's empty in the bottom. Again, if I need it, it's there. If not, that's okay too. I ended up putting my two little caddies on the top of here. They need a little bit more work. What I want to do is have one full of stuff for Bible journaling, so that if I want to do that in the living room, I can just pull that out and take that with me. And the other one, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet. Maybe my kids' crafting. Okay. I didn't change much with the punches because that was working quite well for me. I did a little bit of shuffling here, but not much. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. Now it'll just be a matter of working in here for a while and seeing if it works as good as I think it's going to. Thank you so much for joining me on this series of my craft room organization and purging. I hope you found this inspiring, or at the very least entertaining. And until next time, happy crafting.